Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos looks like a movie by using this effect on CapCut. So after you add your videos to CapCut, you can just use this effect. So go to effects now, click on the video effects, and then here on the lens category find the cinema effect. So just scroll down until you find the cinema effect. Okay, this one's right here. So the cinema effect will add a black bar like this to your clip. Click on a check icon when you're done. Here you can adjust the length to your liking, and that's it. Now your videos will look like a movie on the cinema. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.